Kalimera, dzień dobry.
So we arrived at one of the most famous spots,
Shipwreck, Nafagio Shipwreck. So does it look like a clinking beach in Zakhynthos, right?
Little bit for sure. Good morning, Kalimera from Greece, Zakynthos.
So we just finished breakfast and now we get ready. We will explore the island. Yesterday was it's not like a good weather, but today it's like windy but sunny at least. And this is the view from the pool, and then the restaurant is down there and our room is there.
What you saw on previous, or you're gonna see, or you saw on previous videos. Now we're gonna show you our ride, and we're gonna have a ride around island. Actually, island is very small, only 30 kilometers from west to east. So hopefully we're gonna visit most of the spots today. And as always, the monkeys are back to travel.
It's nice. Well, actually, this little bit update on you. We ran a car about €50 a day, and we will explore the island. And hopefully we will make it in one day. So we will go to the most beautiful spots in Zakhynthos, and we also will explore the Sante Old Town. So, kochanie, we are on the road.
We are on the road again,
And I'll show you how it looks.
Look like Nusa Penida with no traffic and big road.
Yes, on the left, on the right is the olives oil.
Olive
tree.
Oil, it will be later.
Oh my god, my brain is already super excited. Okay, so a beautiful green vegetation already. And the road is that kind of a smaller. Yes, this is the island vibe for sure. So yeah, we will go to the first stop, to the shipwreck. And if you are into a driving car, so this is how the road situation. Even the bus coming here, we are going into the small road like explorer. Discovering the new things.
I told you already many times, we are travelers, not the tourists.
Yes, we like to explore something off a beaten path.
That's the thing.
Oh my god, look at this, kochanie. Beautiful green. Oh, wow.
So cool, huh?
Yes. Woo. So nice. Woo. Blue sky, green. Wow.
Going
Right?
to the mountain somewhere. Not totally different.
Totally different. Oh, fresh. Souvenir shop on the left, on the right. So it means already
Tourist spot.
tourist spot.
Somewhere nearby.
Somewhere nearby. Like this.
And local houses.
Local houses. Nice.
International flags. There is
Look.
Polish one.
The most visited.
Because this is the local bean beret.
Nice.
Local wine.
Oh, look at this one. The shop.
Yeah,
Which
with
is
carpets.
carpets, everything. Like this one. So cute, no?
So cute, no? This is Sparta 300.
Nice. And then in front of us is the
Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean Sea. It's nice.
Slightly cloudy again, but still nice.
Yeah.
Going down to
Going
the
down.
Shipwreck Beach. Big.
So pretty. Aha, look at this. Look at this guy. Oh, look at this. Watch.
Pięknie, tak?
200 meters, slide left.
Oh,
In 200
nice.
meters.
Focus, babe. Nice.
Ooh, nice views approaching soon. Little bit windy, sorry for the wind distraction on this video. However, the views are so nice, sayang.
Oh, look at that. That is shipwreck one. It's just like the clicking.
Oh, indeed. Yeah, we'll show you around. Looks decent.
Maybe from that side.
Maybe from this. This must be a spot with so many people at the flag. Oh, windy. Alright, this is one of the most popular view in Greece, actually. Very similar to Klinkin Beach in Bali. Nusa Penida, actually, but yeah. And the watercolor. People trying to go. Alright, so this is the one of the most iconic shipwreck. Beautiful color of the water, like turquoise. Some people here. Not so crowded though. Shipwreck is actually a little bit there. Here we go. There it is, Saya.
Nice. It's like in Clinking Beach in Nusa Penida, Bali.
Literally.
Nice.
Literally like this one.
Kalimera, dzień dobry.
So we arrived at the one of the most famous spots. Shipwreck.
Shipwreck. Nafagio Shipwreck. So does it look like a Clinking Beach in Nusa Penida, right?
Little bit for sure. Water. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at this.
Look at this.
Ooh, so beautiful, isn't it? That's the shipwreck, legendary. And from the wide perspective. And you better don't fall down. Ooh. And the color of the water, beautiful. Beautiful, son. So beautiful, isn't it?
Ah.
You can see what's like this.
No. Sayang, we just fly 2.5 hours, but the vibe exactly like in the Clinking Nusa Penida.
Exactly right.
Exactly. And then what I see is that here is more, safe, I feel, because the rails like this.
They have a proper barrier,
Yes,
yeah.
the barrier.
And footpath.
And then footpath.
And no monkeys.
No monkeys.
Except the two of us.
Yeah. So nice. Let's go to the next spot. Right. So we just arrived in the first destination, which is Nafagio Shipwreck. It's just like the most visited place in Zakhynthos, and I think
Very similar to Nusa Penida Klinkin Beach. That's 100%. That's we already done. There's two similar spots in two other sides of the world. That's first impression. Maybe because we've been in other ones so many times. However, many people saying same thing. If you've been or if you know about this one.
same, but
Different.
different. Yeah. So what I can say that it's beautiful is only what is missing. Maybe the boat going there now is not operating, but will be operating later on in June, July or something.
Monkeys are missing because in Nusa Penida in Bali you have the monkeys, and also in Bali they building cliff. But if Chinese investors gonna come here, probably next few years they're gonna build it also. So that's probably the thing,
Yeah.
because it's often happening like that actually in the places like this one. So it may happen because this road actually what you see is brand new, because when you watch YouTube videos before there wasn't this road, but they already make the road. So if you know, you know.
Yes.
But it's a cool place to visit if you are in Greece, in Zakhynthos, and you have opportunity. Really highly recommended, either by the tour guide or either you come by yourself, like we can by ourselves. It's cool.
Right. Oh, kochanie, look at this, so cute.
Not that big.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, kochanie. Today we are heading to the Zakynthos town, right?
That's a thing. That's a thing.
And here is the road trip.
Actually, there from the distance you can see
No.
different island even.
Yes.
I don't know what's the island, but it's different.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. That's the thing. Roads are very quiet, almost empty. Sometimes
Yes.
somebody's coming.
Right.
So enjoyable, peaceful to drive.
Nice.
Small island from west to east, 30 kilometers, maybe 40 max.
Nice, right, Kahir?
Enjoyable.
Beautiful. You see that in front is the Mediterranean Sea.
That's the thing.
Pretty. I really like the road trip like this, facing the ocean, right? Kahir?
Yeah, always nice. Mountains, nice. It's very
Yes.
similar land. This one is the most similar to Croatia and the
Croatia.
Spain,
Yeah.
actually. Yeah, but it's all
mountain.
Mediterranean climate anyway.
Yes.
So there is church. as well.
Okay. Oh, look at this, beautiful. There is a beautiful church
Church.
behind,
Little town.
and then the little town. Okay. Nice. It's so pretty.
Nice little town. Exactly.
Yes, exactly. It's quiet, right, Kahani?
Quiet.
Colorful. Yes. Nice. Right, so we decided to come back to the hotel because we've got the all-inclusive holidays. So let's go on the restaurant, then down there Pahanya, right, for the lunch. I think because it's Sunday, I see that some of the shops are here closed. We
They are
plan
so
to do shopping.
chilled and laid back. Generally speaking, here, island life plus Greece. There is the island actually behind what yesterday we
It's like
couldn't
a
show you.
mountain. Literally looks like in Sanur vibe, when you see the Mount Aruwat behind us.
Yeah.
It's just like the island.
Exactly like that. Kinda like a Sanur vibe in Bali. Okay, here you go. So because everything is like going less than 1 hour, wherever we go to the edge of the island, we decide to come for our lunch. Back to the hotel and then we go again. And we already like it, so maybe we're gonna even extend one day the car. Okay, let's go. Yesterday I showed you, or 2 days ago, it was raining. Now it's actually sunny. Everything is blue, and the plane somewhere. Idziemy, let's go.
Kochanie, smacznego. So the fish, rice. Oh, what do you have? Fish
I already
also?
finished, but I eat a lot of fish.
No. And with the view of this is the restaurant. That's nice. Literally nice.
Always with the view, yeah?
So when you have a all-inclusive holiday, so this is the food, how it look like. Hello. It's okay. And buffet style. Sometimes they have a Greek food, Mexican. They also sometimes have a Asian food here. And the thing is that they have a fresh seafood almost every day, just like this one, the grilled one. Looks so good. And we have a salad section here, fresh. So you can build your own salad over there, Greek salad. And have a sweet tooth like me, dessert is a must. And they have many variety of the dessert. They have a specialty Greek dessert like this, fruit of a day and ice cream. So you can choose many things. And this is how the restaurant facing the. Right, so we just finished lunch and we decided to stroll around to show you a little bit how it is. This one is actually the beach bar. That belongs to the hotel where we stay. Whenever you want to, sit by the bean bag or sit by the sunbed like that, you definitely have to pay around 20 euro for.
And food and drinks unfortunately are not included into all-inclusive, which we mentioned last time on different video. However, today is nice because it's beautiful weather and definitely more and more people actually here today.
Yes, and the vibe is literally like the beach club. where I'm originally from.
Yeah, but the difference is the weather is better condition. The wind is more cooler. It's not that super hot. Mini pickup.
It's so cute. Look at this area.
Yeah, little town of Kerry.
Yeah. Little town.
Of Kerry.
Look, the cables and everything is so cute for me.
And they drive ATV groups.
Yes. Right. Oh. Look at this
Nice
one.
at the front the house.
No. Nice. Look. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at this one. Babe, where did you take me, darling?
Nie wiem. Going to some viewpoint.
No. We go to somewhere.
We go somewhere.
So cute.
Sunset.
No. Kochanie, where we go?
I don't know. To the viewpoint.
Oh my god. Small road. I don't know where my husband take me, but this is a very small road. That's why you have to hire car to explore the...
Yeah, but if you're curious why our car
thing,
is so
you know?
small, now you know.
Yeah, and
100
then
meters, turn left.
you see, it's just like different vegetation here.
Everything is green, but like a mint green color on this
Yeah.
island because of olive
Turn left.
and generally.
Not that.
Because somewhere we arriving, baby.
No, we
But
arriving?
still 900 meter maybe. Also, this road is good actually for ATVs. If you like ATVs, you can use them for the road trip. And this road actually reminds us literally of the Nusa Penida Island. I don't know why, but it's like 1-to-1, just European version.
Right, so we will show you the diamond beach of the Greece.
Oh, windy, windy. Sayang found the
Oh my
spot.
god, kochanie, zobacz, this is literally look like the diamond beach in Nusa Penida, Bali. Zobacz, this is Mishitres Island, which is,
Yeah,
no?
looks very similar vibe
Oh,
considering the cliff, color of the water, rock. Why this island is so similar to the Nusa
it's
Penida?
like the copy 1112 of Nusa Penida, Bali.
Crazy, right?
Literally.
Even the
Like
roads,
the
like
European version. The roads to get here is the literally
cliff.
the cliff. Look! Wow, 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 and wow.
Crazy, right?
Look at them, the ATV
Yeah.
riders.
So you're going to the spots like this one with the trees. You have to be very careful.
No,
Not for amateurs.
careful, baby. I'm holding your hand.
So nice. You missing Frank John?
I'm just holding your hand.
Okay, let's go up to see more of this. But literally, as Winnie said and I said, it's like this island is so like a copy, you know, like double version. So there's so many viewpoints here with the trees and everything. Ooh, here is nice, eh?
So what I feel about my first impression about here is exactly 11-12 of the Nusa Penida Island in Bali. So they've got you know, like a shipwreck, Nafagio Shipwreck before. It's just like clinking beach Nusa Penida, and here Mishitres
Viewpoint.
you know, viewpoint is just like the diamond beach in Nusa Penida, Bali. So what I can say that you need to travel to different countries, different continents to see that there is actually,
Similarities.
yes, same, but different.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait for the Chinese investors.
So
will
we'll
be
be some the cliff hotels and maybe some beach club in the future. Cliff
no, yes.
club, something like
Club.
that.
So we come through the wood and then we just come here and look behind that island is actually the small island.
No, now it's like literally Diamond Beach in the Nusa Penida. Like
No.
because from the before we didn't see it's this one, but now it's like literally, no?
Careful, darling.
Yeah, check
Careful,
this
I'm
out.
holding your hand.
But it's like literally. Check this out. So funny actually.
Let's go.
So this is our little Hyundai i10. Some of you, especially in Australia or America, maybe the cars like this are too small. Generally, this is very like for this kind of Greek islands.
Right, so we just arrived in the Kerry Beach. It's actually kind of a peaceful, laid-back vibe. And what
Seems
I
like.
see is that it's not not really like family friendly. I didn't see that so many families here.
It's some-
Mostly, and look at the colors of the water. And I think that there are so many boats. I think that this is small port actually going around to the smaller island. And look at this.
Can be. Check this out, the color of the water actually. Yeah.
So pretty.
Even it's harbor actually, but it's so clean water. No?
No, let's go there.
Let's have a look. I think there are different islands or boats. This one seems like a not so popular destination, but so laid back and cool actually.
And then the more pebble beach here, you see, it's not that like powdery sand beach. But yeah, it's nice. Let's go.
Yeah, but it's nice, yeah. True. There is some nice bars and taverns. Actually, people chilling. Some little taverns here and there. They're sitting on the bottom and upstairs. Some nice there. Very little town, but very chilly going. Very laid back. Pretty quiet though. Some boats, maybe you can rent this or something like that. Check this out. The stone, but it's so clean water. Some islands ongoing. Nice. Yeah, you happy, Saya? No. Oh, the parking lot is here also actually. And one thing, all the parking spots are free here. We never pay for any parking here. Oh, this is called Kerry
Beach.
Kerry Beach. Generally laid
Pebble
back.
Beach, and then I think that the shade under the trees and overviewing the island over there.
Yeah,
So nice.
pretty nice actually. Little bit different. It's quite a lot of people actually hang out under the trees. Even there are stones here actually. Some people hanging out, chilling, the trees. That's actually cool because these trees and then access to the water and the stone. That's actually nice. Weather also improved quite a lot, I have to say. Definitely. It's actually pretty warm now. No, idziemy.
Look. So peaceful.
So peaceful, isn't it? Nice water.
O, kochanie!
Lubisz?
No tak.
Podoba ci się?
Tak?
O,
Tak. So beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh, dress here will be better quality of the
Tak.
Turkish colors.
Right. Nice. Kotek. Kochanie, sayang. Coffee o'clock.
Coffee o'clock.
No, tak. So we drive through the olive plantation again. And then this is small road. You just like to follow the Google map, right?
Because I
Yes.
always use the Waze map, but for unknown reason, the Waze doesn't really work well here, so I use the Google map. But Google map is famous for showing you silly roads, which is actually
Small
adventure.
road will lead to the beautiful destination. Yeah. My God.
It's experience. At least you know why the car is so small when I ask for rental.
Yeah.
Which this road is actually very small. We arrived somewhere, it's called
Cameo Island. So Cameo Island is over there, and then this Cameo Island is one of the scenes in the Mamma Mia series.
Mamma Mia. Alright. Okay, let's go, let's have a look. So you just walk on the wooden bridge? Okay. Idziemy. Alright. That's how does it look like. The water is also nice. You just walk. Okay. Nice, eh?
Ah, beauty.
Pretty
That's
cool.
the Cameo Island. That's the behind is the restaurant, and that's the setting of the Mamma.
You mean the song?
Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia, here I go again.
Okay. We have to, I think, be quicksand before it's the low tide, babe. Otherwise, will be the water there. Water. But it's nice, actually. Pretty cool, have to say. No? Little bit windy, but pretty cool. Nice, some photo session. Nice environment generally. Go up. There's restaurant, right? Okay, cool. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Oh, that's the wedding session. Nice. Some love lockers. So just be careful, don't get wet. I think we cannot go more further with shoes bed. We have a shoes bed.
Yeah, our shoes.
No, to nie dobrze. We risk little bit of the wet shoes.
Only it's okay, just like a wet shoes, it's okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
You okay? You like little bit of stairs climbing? That's for our viewers, right? Oh my god. Idziemy. So we paid €5 for entrance or something, but the photo point is open.
Yes, we'll be souvenir. Come on.
We get a picture? Because we paid €10, I don't know for what. Alright.
Mamma Mia.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, so you're gonna get a picture actually included. Down there is the wedding or something, so will be not access. So what actually they film here at the video?
The video of the Mamma Mia movie, and then actually one of the scene is down here. Unfortunately, we can't get in because of the private event wedding.
Alright,
But you still pay €5.
so same but different.
Same but different.
Dobra. Babe, I hope you're not gonna get a Masuk angle, otherwise I have to do Kerokan on you.
Let's go down.
What is down again?
Kind of down.
More stairs to go. No, poczekaj. Here is the viewpoint. Everywhere there is viewpoint somewhere at least. Not that. The color of the water is actually nice. The cliff.
Yeah.
Nice. Dobra.
Let's go down.
Now walking like in Ulu.
Yeah.
Ulu Vachu. Kind of vibe actually. No. Okay. We can go actually really to the bottom. So you have a coffee shop here also, cafe I mean. However, for €5 per person only have one picture, one shot. Because he didn't even make it 2 shots. Okay. You have to spend some euros in Greece, eh? That's the life. Tourist island. Yeah, but the vibe in it's nice. Generally speaking, nice. And then you have Sivia, have a view of the little harbor actually. Nice. It's actually nice. And the islands in the background. Nice. You happy, Shai?
This is us, but we will wait for the key change. So cute. Kohanya, what do you hold?
I got a ear keychain with our picture of us from one side and
Yes.
Zakynthos on the other side.
Cameo
so-
Island, darling.
Huh?
That Takto is Cameo Island.
Okay,
that behind.
Cameo Island is not Zakynthos. However, nice.
So,
We can give to Mama
tak.
and I don't know. something
€5 including for the key change.
else.
That's it.
actually okay. Not that bad. Not that bad.
Okay.
There was funny situation because there was the flood, so Winnie just took off shoes and walked normal for Asian, right? But for me, I just tried to climb the rock, and 3 guys behind me tried to do it the same. We didn't film it, I make it, the guy behind make it, and the other guy jumped inside the rubbish bin bag and he just get inside the trash can. So it was funny. And then yeah, what's happened? We're going to check what's going on. Why is so many boats here and they're selling some tours? Maybe we're gonna have some. for boat ride. Not into boats that much. But weather is getting better and better. It's windy, that's true. Like usually on those islands, but it's warmer now. No? Okay, let's go. You can see the planes landing actually from here. Check this out, the TUI is landing now. Oh, nice shot actually. So the airport is close by.
Right, so we just arrived in the Laganas beach, but later on at night we will come back. Actually,
Because
to see Lagana is famous for the party vibes here.
Like one main street, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But here there are some hotels, some, I don't know, like a kind of beach, proper beach, kind of sunbeds and stuff like this one. Some hotels. Yeah, kind of vibe like this. But we're going back to the city later.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to the hotel and rest a little bit. Yeah?
Right.